Today's video is going to be very interesting because we have a brand new projector in the house. Now you might have seen a lot of projectors till now, but what I'll be showing you in today's video is going to completely blow your mind. So this is the world's first 2.1 channel portable projector from BenQ. Now like seriously, this thing has like an on-board woofer guys for extra bass, and also it's like truly portable. It's got like built-in battery and you can use it without any adapter, no requirement of power outlet. You can use it anywhere on the go. So I'm like pretty excited to show it to you in this video. It's made by BenQ, model is GV30, and it's like a smart DLP projector and has all Android related features that you would look for. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So our new portable projector from BenQ comes in this sort of box packaging. It's a big box and also quite heavy in the hand. You've got the BenQ branding, and the model we'll be reviewing today is GV30. And let me tell you, this is the world's first portable projector with a built-in 2.1 channel audio system. So I'm pretty excited to unbox and show it to you in this video. Now there is nothing much written on the box, just some product pictures. And oh wait, we actually have some main highlights mentioned over here. The GV30 has a native resolution of 720p HD, has a 135-degree projection angle, built-in 2.1 channel sound system, and also comes with a battery guys, so that makes it a truly portable projector. And best part is, it also has autofocus and auto keystone correction, so quite convenient to use. So those are some of its main highlights. Now let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me just cut this seal on the package. Here we go. Oh, look at this! You get a free carry case for the projector. Pretty nice. It's a hard shell case in a fabric finish and quality looks pretty good. Even has a handle at the top so you can easily carry it anywhere. And along with that in the package you also get BenQ's ATV dongle. See, basically this is something you need to connect to the projector for all the smart Android related features. I'll show you how to do that also in this video, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the projector. And ta-ta-da! We've got some paperwork at the top. Make sure to read this for all the info on how to set it up. And here's the projector we've been waiting for, BenQ's GV30. Oh boy, just look at this thing. Complete entertainment package in such a compact size. Available only in one color, which is white, and has a very unique shape guys. And here's the actual projector lens. I've told you right, it's a high quality DLP projector with BenQ's cinematic color technology and also supports autofocus and auto keystone correction. Beautiful design. We'll just get back to this in a moment. First, let me also show you the other accessories. You get a 65-watt power adapter for the projector, a stand for the GV30 so you can conveniently place it on any surface, a couple of different mains cords, and two AAA batteries for the remote. And here's how the remote control looks like. It's a smart remote with Google Voice Assistant, dedicated shortcut app for Amazon Prime Video, and more. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's have a closer look at the product and talk about the design and the build quality. BenQ's GV30 is quite portable and weighs around 1.6 kgs. It's got a very unique shape that was designed specially for the 2.1 channel audio system on board. It's got two mid-range tweeters, one on each side, and a dedicated woofer for extra bass, and produces a total output of around 12 watts. And best part is, sound on it is powered by Trevolo and offers optimized sound modes for different scenarios. You've got a leather strap at the top, and here is that woofer which I was talking about. We have some buttons over here, media control buttons just above that, which include a power button, volume up and down, and a dedicated Bluetooth speaker mode. On the front is where you've got the projector's actual lens. It's a DLP 720p projector that supports video playback up to 4K resolution via HDMI and has a brightness of around 300 ANSI lumens. Now given a closer look, let me also show you all the available connectivity ports on it. It's got a HDMI in, Type-C DP port is there, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a DC in for the adapter. Now going to the bottom side, here you also have a 1/4 inch thread so you can easily fix this thing on a tripod or even on a monopod. So that is it guys, our complete overview on it. And here's how the GV30 sits on its stand. It's a magnetic stand and offers angle adjustment as well. And wait a second, I haven't showed you that BenQ's ATV dongle, right? Model is QS01, and here you go, this is how it looks like. Very simple design, has just the BenQ branding and HDMI connector on one end. So let me quickly show you how to connect it and set up the projector. See, setting it up is very simple, guys. Just follow my video step by step. In the package, you get this tiny tool that sort of looks like a guitar pick, and using it, you need to open up the side cover of the projector. Comes out very easily, and there you go. This is how the inside looks like. So this is where you'll need to connect that Android TV dongle. There's a HDMI port available. Connect the BenQ stick over there, and then connect the micro USB to micro USB cable just like this. And that is it, guys. You're all good to go. So let me quickly power it on and show you the whole menu, UI, built-in apps and features. So there you go, our projector is all set up, and right now it's placed around like 7 to 8 feet away from the wall, and we are getting a projection size of almost 110 to 120 inches. Now it's a 720p projector, right? So the brand recommends using it around like 80 to 100 inches for best optimal results, but I've used it even up to 120 inches, guys, and was getting satisfactory results only. See, the main purpose of this projector was portable design, guys. You can carry it anywhere without the need of an adapter. You can use it in your bedroom, balcony, terrace, or even at your friend's place. And especially when traveling on the go, I'm pretty sure everybody uses these sort of projectors at small sizes only, right? And for that size, 720p was more than enough. And this is how the home screen on the projector looks like. After connecting that BenQ's ATV dongle, the whole experience becomes Android, guys, and basically the whole UI, everything is like very similar to any other regular Android TV. So on the home screen, you've got all your Google related applications, Play Store is there, YouTube is there, and a couple of OTT related platform apps as well. And using Google Play Store, you can download all your favorite apps and games, guys, not an issue. And by default, Amazon Prime Video is pre-installed on it, guys. But for some reason, I couldn't find Netflix on Play Store. But thankfully, BenQ has given an alternative solution to download Netflix, and you can do that by downloading BenQ's Apps Manager from Play Store. From there, you need to download Aptoid TV, and then you can access Netflix, guys. So this is like an alternative solution. Anyways, talking about the whole software experience and day-to-day performance, the projector was working very well, guys. The whole UI navigation was smooth, app opening, closing, transitions were also nice. It's got like 2 gigs of RAM on board and 16 GB of internal storage, which is like plenty, guys. Or you can even connect some external pen drives also. And apart from that, you do have all features like Wi-Fi support is there, dual band Wi-Fi 2.4G and 5 GHz is supported, and Bluetooth 4.2 is also there. Using Bluetooth, you can easily connect your favorite Bluetooth TWS or anything like that to enjoy audio experience over there. And Chromecast is also built in, so you can easily cast anything from your smartphones, Apple or Android. So let me also quickly show you the menu that is available on this projector. You can easily access this using the remote control, and it offers like a couple of adjustments. You can quickly adjust the brightness of the projector. By default, it is set to 50, and you can easily adjust it like this. You also have a couple of predefined picture modes, like there is bright mode, living room, game mode is also there, cinema mode, which is my personal favorite, and also a daytime mode. Apart from that, you do have like sound modes also powered by Trevolo technology, and you can set this to anything as per your convenience. Apart from that, you do have like custom picture settings to adjust the contrast, brightness, colors, and sharpness as well. And lastly, you've got some general settings like focus adjustment and power mode. In case if your projector is running low on battery, you can switch from the normal to echo or low power mode depending on the status. So that is it, guys, some of the quick settings available on the projector's menu. So now what I'll do is I'll quickly play some videos on YouTube and give you guys like a demo on the video and sound quality of this projector. So guys, we just arrived at Haridas market. This market is very popular for electronic items. You get everything over here: gaming consoles, cameras, photography related accessories. I mean, just look at the rush. Too much, right? We had to park our car very long way and come walking because there is no parking space available here. Two-wheeler also very difficult. That is Haridas market. Okay, you guys saw the picture quality, right? So now let's talk about it. It's got a native resolution of 1280 by 720, but supports a video playback even up to 4K resolution. And let me tell you, picture quality was great. It's got good amount of detail, sharpness was fine, and everything was easily readable. And talking about the colors, GV30 is powered by BenQ's cinematic color technology and covers 97% Rec 709 color space. And to be honest, I was very impressed with the color quality and color accuracy. No matter what sort of content I played on it, the colors were looking rich and vibrant. Very satisfying experience, guys. And coming to the brightness, GV30 offers around 300 ANSI lumens of brightness and was producing quite a bright image. On the overall, I was very satisfied with the experience. I had a great time watching content either on YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, or any other platform. And talking about Prime Video, yes, you can stream content at HD resolution. And wait a second, we are missing the big part, the sound. GV30 is the world's first projector to feature on-board 2.1 channel sound system. And let me tell you, I was blown away by the sound. The audio quality was too good on this thing for a projector. Mids were crisp and clear, good treble, and talking about bass, it was actually producing punchy bass, guys. All thanks to that subwoofer. I literally felt I had a mini theater in my bedroom. Audio output is also loud and sufficient. You don't need any external speakers at all, guys. This is more than enough. I'm telling you, right, it's like a complete all-in-one entertainment package. On that note, you can even use this projector as a dedicated Bluetooth speaker. There's a standalone mode available for that, which you can easily access by pressing a single button at the top of the projector, and that will transform it into a dedicated 2.1 channel Bluetooth speaker. Just check out this small demo so you'll get an idea on the audio quality. Anyways, we are almost coming to an end, right? So let me tell you about the battery. GV30 has a built-in battery, and on an average, we are getting around like 2 to 2.5 hours of battery life. And it can also be charged on the go by a 45-watt Type-C power bank that supports power delivery. Awesome, right? Well, that is it, guys, our video on BenQ's world's first 2.1 channel portable projector. I love the concept, great picture and sound quality on the go, full Android TV experience, smooth performance, and works on battery without the need to carry an adapter. It costs around 52,500 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know everything. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.